Welcome to Animedix News, where we explore the science behind the latest advances in precision medicine. Today, we're looking at the July 22nd, 2026 FDA approval of Jideytro, zidesamtinib, developed by Nuvalent and now part of GSK following GSK's acquisition of the company. The drug is approved for adults with locally advanced or metastatic ROS1 positive non-small cell lung cancer who have previously been treated with a ROS1 tyrosine kinase inhibitor. ROS1 fusions occur in only about 1 to 2% of non-small cell lung cancers, but they are powerful oncogenic drivers, most often found in younger patients and never smokers. While earlier ROS1 inhibitors can produce dramatic responses, tumors frequently evolve resistance. With ROS1 mutations, ATP binds too avidly to its binding pocket, leading to aggressive and inappropriate growth signaling. ROS1 inhibitors block this pocket and prevent ATP from binding. But sometimes devious tumors evolve to change the shape of the binding pocket enough to block the drugs, but still allow ATP to bind. Rather than trying to overpower this mutation, Nuvalent scientists designed zidesamtinib around it. Using structure-guided medicinal chemistry, they engineered the molecule to fit into the remodeled ATP binding pocket, shutting down ROS1 signaling. The drug was also optimized to penetrate the brain and minimize inhibition of TRK receptors, reducing neurologic side effects. This is precision medicine at its finest, designing therapies not only for today's cancer, but for the cancer it is most likely to become.